Ever wonder how many barcodes a field technician scans during meter installation? At least 3. And did you know there are over 30 different types of barcodes out there? Manufacturers keep adding new ones all the time. Barcodes simplify data entry and are more accurate than typing. But here's the catch: your field technicians need the right tools. You might think, why is he telling me that? It's a common knowledge. True, it should be. But here's the thing. Why do 56% of the field service workers are frustrated with these apps? And why do they have to juggle devices just to scan a barcode or enter data manually? Because to scan all barcode types easily, field workers need to have the right app, the app with universal barcode scanner.
Let's look at this. Technician can click and scan any of the 30 types of barcodes, record meter serial number, log inventory with these, or pair meter with an antenna.
The app scans offline where there's no internet, and it works on any device, no app store required. Elevate your field service with Universal Barcode Scanner app. That's it, folks. Let's go to work.